Hey there, Sassy Squad. Welcome back. We like to be very direct in our videos, so if you're looking for answers, you're going to appreciate this. And if you're new here, we're all about helping you elevate your digital presence. Today, we're giving you the ultimate guide to profile optimization so you get the best results, whether you're just starting out or you've been in this game for a while. These 10 steps will ensure your profile isn't just seen, but that it converts followers into money in your pocket.
Hello, I like money.
So let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about organization. Think of your profile as the front window to a store. If your office or store comes with a street-facing window, you're gonna want to use that space strategically. So think of your profile in the same way. Organizing isn't just about aesthetics, it's about functionality. You guys remember when the trend was to have a really aesthetically pleasing feed where all the posts were the same color? That was exhausting, and I'm glad that that's over. And that's not what we're talking about here today. A well-organized profile makes it easier for your audience to connect, engage, and ultimately buy from you. So next up, know your audience. I cannot stress this enough. There are two main groups on your profile, the engagers and the buyers. And while there's some overlap, each group has unique needs. Engagers are your brand's ambassadors. They spread the word, they're your hype crew. And buyers, on the other hand, are looking to invest in what you have to offer. And be careful because your followers persona can be different from your actual clientele. Like your clients might range from 28 to 63, but your followers are actually like 25 to 32-year-olds. So know who you're talking to when crafting your content and ask yourself, who am I speaking to? And trust me, when you speak directly to somebody's needs and desires, they listen.
This is so good.
All right, moving on to the usernames. This might seem basic, but your username is often the first impression you make, and it needs to be memorable, easy to spell, and representative of who you are and what you offer. So whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a growing business, choose a name that sticks and avoid changing it at all costs. Your profile picture is something else that people notice right off the bat. So whether it's a clear photo of your face or a standout logo of your brand, make it count. Remember, this isn't just about looking good. And remember, this isn't just about looking good, it's about being recognizable. Every time somebody scrolls their feed and sees your profile picture, you want them to think, ah, that's Sassy Square. Next one is one of my favorites. Keywords. It's a relatively new concept to Instagram, and we did talk about it in our, we talked about using it in the caption section on our first video. So go back and check that out if you haven't already. I will leave it linked up here towards the end of this video. It's on the side. I'll leave it linked over here towards the end of this video, or you can get the link in the captions. I'll leave it there so it's nice and easy for you too. But go back and check it out because it's super helpful. Did you know that the title right below your profile picture isn't just for your name? It's a prime real estate for discoverability because people can find your profile through what you have written there. Think about what people might search into the Instagram search bar to find businesses like yours. For us, it might be digital marketing or social media marketing. Use that space wisely. And right below that is your bio, the famous bio. Think of it like your elevator pitch. In just a few lines, you need to tell your visitors who you are, what you do, and why they should care. Break it down into 3 parts. The introduction, who you are, what you offer, and why they can't live without it. Authority, what makes you an expert? Maybe it's the years of experience, notable clients, certifications, achievements, or your unique approach. And then a call to action. What should they do next? Maybe it's visiting your website, checking out a new product, signing up for a newsletter, or maybe you just want them to hit that follow button. Make sure there's a clear indication of what you want them to do. Now, here's a little challenge for you. If you made it this far in the video, drop a comment below with the word that best describes your brand. Not only will this be helpful for you to reflect on your brand's identity, but it'll also boost this video's engagement. Win-win. And hey, while you're down there, why not hit that subscribe button? It really supports our channel and ensures that you don't miss out on future tips and tricks. Moving on, the highlights. How should you use it? How many should you have, right? Think of your Instagram highlights as your business portfolio. It's a curated collection of your best moments, testimonials, products, and more. We recommend you have an introduction. So it's a quick reel talking about who you are and what your brand stands for. And then a testimonial to show client feedback, satisfied clients. It builds trust, credibility. And lastly, a products and services section. It's like a digital storefront. It's gonna host like a sneak peek of what you offer. How many highlights you should have isn't really as important. You really should have the things that we mentioned, but I've seen accounts with 20 highlight sections, but they were all being used really well. So going back to how you get the most from your profile. Number 9, content types. Because you need a variety of content to keep your followers engaged, right? You need the flavor. Instagram isn't just about pretty pictures, it's about telling a story, your brand story. And for that, you need these 4 types of posts. Growth posts, posts that break barriers, engagement posts, and authority posts. So the growth posts, these are designed to attract new followers and grow your account. Things that people will share, like knowledge or inspirational quotes, or posts with the objective of having people tag other people in the comments or share. These are gonna help your numbers grow. Now, posts that break barriers. Understand what is keeping people from buying from you and speak directly to that. One example is maybe people think your services are too expensive. Well, show them that the benefits outweigh the cost, or talk about how you make financing super easy. Now, engagement posts are all about the interactions, the challenges, the polls, the quizzes, anything that gets your audience clicking, commenting, and engaging in the conversation. And the last one is authority posts. Share your knowledge, tips, tricks, tutorials, and show your audience that you're an expert in your field. When they see you as an authority, they are more likely to buy from you and pay the asking price. Ka-ching! Number 10. Learn from the best. Number 10, that means we're almost to the end, and I really hope we earned you as a new follower. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So learn from the best. Look at the top accounts in your industry. What are they doing that's working? Look for which types of posts are performing better on their account. What are they posting about? How often? What's their engagement like? Don't copy, but take inspiration from them and adapt their strategies to fit your brand and your audience. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You'll develop your own style, and that's what will draw people in. So in conclusion, organize your profile to make sure it's discoverable and recognizable. Then get ready to convince and convert by knowing who you're talking to, knowing what their pain points are and speaking directly to that, posting a mix of content to engage your followers, show them why you're the one to follow in your industry, and finally break barriers that are keeping them from buying from you. All right, that is a wrap on optimizing your profile in 10 easy steps. I gave so much away, this should be illegal. But that's what we want from our videos. That's what we want our videos to do. And remember, Instagram is a powerful tool, but only if you use it correctly. Every post, story, highlight should have a purpose. And before we sign off, a huge thank you to everyone who's joined us until the end of this video. Your support means the world to us. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content from Sassy Square Marketing. Until next time, and remember, marketing should be sassy. That's a wrap.